I put a pin here, where am I in the heart? What area of the heart am I in?
Left ventricle.
Left ventricle. Very good. Okay, and how do you know it's a left ventricle?
Because it's the thickest.
The thickest, right? So this thing, this is your landmark, right? As soon as you see these thick walls, left ventricle. That's the first thing that should come into your mind. Now, next thing, you notice these little structures here. What are these things called? They're like cordones. Chordate tendinae, right? So they're kind of like little tendons, right? And these little tendons connect to what muscles? Papillary, right? So these things, these muscles contract to do what? And they pull on these to close which valve here? What valve is there?
The
bicuspid, aka mitral, right? And what does that do? Why does it close? So you don't, if you're pumping blood out, you don't want it to come back in. You want to close the valve, so it's like a one-way valve, right? Okay, so good. So while this thing is closed, it pumps this blood where? So the blood, where's the blood flow going? So once it passes, okay, because the blood actually comes originally from where?
The veins.
Okay, so it comes from the pulmonary veins, and it
to the atrium.
Which atrium? This is the atrium right here. What side are we on?
To left.
Left atrium. Gravity helps pull the blood down into the left ventricle. Right, just before it contracts, the papillary muscles contract, closing the mitral valve, and then once it contracts, the blood flows to the ascending aorta, right, and then to the systemic circulation, right? Okay, good. So that's that. Now, let's see what's going on over here. Where does the right atrium get its blood from? Okay, superior and inferior vena cava, right? In humans, I couldn't find the inferior or superior on this one, but whatever. So, I was trying to dig to see where I could only find one vessel. Basically, what you have to do here is just try to go through here and see if you find it. But usually, it's a lot easier to see it on a human. But yeah, I couldn't find it. I mean, it's pretty